Hi, today we're going to talk about a new MIDI effect called Bouncy Notes, and it's a lot of fun. So a bit earlier I recorded myself singing this exactly. And so I'm going to just drag that into a simpler. I'm going to just make sure warp is set to complex. Now let's try out these bouncy notes. Now by default it will sound a bit like this. So let's just press any note. Now, if we want to increase the speed, so let's just play a few notes now. Okay, we'll just set that back. And now if we increase the gravity, that's just how fast it's going to drop and end. So let's just do a bit of that. And then we've got mass, which we'll show you in a sec. Mass will work really well with the voices are lower. So let's try that out. So let's just reduce the voice to 1. That means you can only really have one note inside of the bouncy notes MIDI effect. Now, if you increase the mass, it just makes the ball bigger. So we've got less space to play with. So obviously if we increase that to 2 or 3 voices or 10 voices. Now the other thing that's really cool, and let's just bring the mass of the ball really low so the actual ball looks really small. Now let's just set the setting to random. Now the balls are just going to go anywhere until they run out of gravity basically. Now let's add a bit of reverb. Now a bit earlier I actually added a guitar sample into a simpler. So let's just hear how that would sound with bouncy notes. So that's just frozen that sound at a point in time. So bouncy notes is a really interesting MIDI effect, and I think there are a lot of use cases for it, and you should definitely try it.